Hello everyone, this is Alicia from workersonboard.com. If you're looking for the latest companies hiring people to work from home, whether you have a computer or not, you will find this and more on this channel. If you're new, please feel free to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. Share this video with your friends, family, or anybody else that you know of that wants to work remotely. You can also share it on social media. Now, in today's video, there's a company that is looking for people to watch these short videos, and it does not require any experience. So you probably heard about shorts or maybe even watch them and consume that content yourself. You can actually work from home doing this for a company. There are a couple of data entry jobs that I'm going to share with you too. So if you like to type, or you're looking for a non-phone job, you can apply to these companies. And then there is an employer that will pay you $3,000 per month. This is a non-phone job. You can work anytime without having experience. You can also find me and follow me on my Facebook page to keep up to date with the latest work at home news and also other ways to make money from home. And you can join our group. It is called Workers on Board Community because you will get access as a member of that group with additional work from home job leads posted every single day. Not just one, but several, in addition to what I post on my website and also share in this channel. Now, if you are curious and you want to know what my work space looks like, I actually created a reel on my Instagram page that you can watch to see what I have in around my workspace and my computer and keyboard. I would like to know what you all have, what your go-to is in your own workspace as well. So please leave me a comment below this video and tell me what you have or what are some of your favorite items that you have in your own workspace. And you can follow me too on my Instagram page. I wanted to start this video off too with a payment proof. So just a couple of days I received $50. I cashed out $50 in the form of an Amazon gift card from InboxDollars. Now you can join InboxDollars too to earn extra cash. In fact, they're going to give you $5 when you sign up today. It's completely free. I'll link it in the description right below this video. But InboxDollars is a site that I've used for a few years now, and they will pay you to do a lot of different tasks. For example, this is their homepage. You can get paid to search on their browser instead of Google, to upload receipts when you shop at the store and different kinds of stores they have available, like Kroger, Target, Aldi, just to name a few. You can also get paid to play games here. They do pay in cash. You can also get paid to read your email. And there's so many different ways to shop online, to download and install apps. And so there's a lot of different ways that you can make money here. Also to complete offers and take surveys if you want. But they have a variety of different things that you can do. And what I like about it is that you can just come in and complete a couple of things, maybe just for 10 minutes or so, or even less than that. And then you will earn money. And then when you're ready to cash out, you just click rewards, and then you can get your cash or gift cards. And they are pretty fast, so you'll get them within a couple of days or so, a day or two. So I just wanted to let you know about that. So I'm going to start off with this job here. It's a data entry position from Bold Business. Now they're looking for data entry agents to work full-time from home, and they need you to review and complete enrichment tasks from their clients. That is going to involve mostly data entry, specifically application data entry, and then you will also do some vendor resource verifications, board certifications, and then follow up with the state boards for statuses. They don't have a lot of requirements listed here, and sometimes you can look at their application questionnaire to get an indication of what they're looking for. But there's not a lot listed, but they do say that you need to have clear goals and to be able to deliver those tasks in a timely manner. And of course, you need to be willing to work on a full-time basis. And if you are, please apply to this job. Now, they have other positions available, not just in data entry, but they have some for social media agents to work from home, and in lead generation and other positions for TikTok content creators. So if you're interested in that, make sure you come here and apply to both business. Another data entry job comes from study.com. They are currently seeking research and data entry assistants to go and evaluate different websites, and then you're going to find the best contact for that approved website. So you need to be able to have good online research skills. You're going to be going to US-based websites. So you won't have to go to any websites that are outside of the United States. And they want you to be detail-oriented and that you can work independently and you have critical thinking skills. But they want you to be able to go and find the best contacts because they want to link build with their partners. And so they are going to determine which is going to be the best fit. And that's why they need you to do this for them. Now, I've posted this job before and they went really fast. So this particular job in research and data entry, non-phone job, a lot of people are looking for that. So if you're interested, make sure you apply online. It doesn't tell me exactly what the pay is, but they do pay twice a month via PayPal. It is hourly pay. There's no waiting for any assignments. They have a large library of projects for you to complete so you can start working as soon as you are approved and you're hired to work for this company. They also have other jobs as well. They also hire globally, just in case you're wondering, in multiple countries. And they have different jobs available. So come here. If that job doesn't interest you, you can come here and apply for that. There's also a job for writers to work from home. It comes from Sportskeeda. And this is a company or a platform that delivers content to sports fans. So they will have articles written and on different kinds of information available for those who consume sports. And so you can come here and write for this company for their hardcore sports fans. If you love sports too, it could be regarding football, gaming, different kinds of sporting events, then you can get paid to write here for them. You can work whenever you want. And they say here that they're looking for their writers who have an undying passion for football, basketball, MMA, NFL, or tennis. And you're going to be creating these stories around this particular genre of sports and sharing your expert opinion on the game the previous night. And so here, again, there's not a lot of experience required. That's all. You just need to have a passion for sports and to be familiar with the game, and then be willing to write content. And then you can earn, like it says here, up to $3,000 a month doing this, working from anywhere. If you're a regular contributor, you're going to get a fixed monthly rate, but you will be working 40 hours a week on a full-time basis. Again, you can work from anywhere. And then they also need editors, so people to edit content that's been submitted by writers. And it's a fixed monthly contract, fixed monthly rate, full-time, work from anywhere. So if you're interested in that, that's on the weekly job page. Make sure you apply online. Those other jobs are also listed on the weekly job page as well from study.com. So the last job I wanted to share with you comes from Sportskeeda as well. They're looking for short videos specialist to work from home. They want you to monitor the quality and virility of short video clips that are published by them. And then you may have to, from time to time, come up with creative and trending ideas for new topics. And then you will submit your reports to the manager and suggest new topics for newer videos. But you're going to be watching all the videos posted on their channels to analyze the hook and come up with ways to improve future videos. So what they're looking for in an ideal candidate to do this from home, you do not need to have excellent knowledge of different video platforms. You also need to have good English language skills in the U.S. That is critical for this job. You also need to be able to find trending topics, be able to grow different video platforms, so have some kind of expertise in that, and then can work independently and, of course, be a fast learner. Now, it doesn't tell me exactly how much you're going to make here, but if you're interested in this job, make sure you apply online. It will probably go really fast because this is pretty much an entry-level job, a non-phone job, where you're going to be watching these videos, and then you're going to make sure you monitor the quality of those short video clips. So again, these are posted on the weekly job page. There are even more work from home jobs that you can apply to online for writers, in reservation, for travel agents, and so many more. So make sure you come here and then come back tomorrow on the Friday freebie page for even more work from home job leads. Thank you all so much for watching this video. And again, if you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, feel free to leave me those right below. And make sure you check out for my next video. And I hope you have a great day. Thanks for watching.